and welcome. If you're new here, then my name is Francisco and I make videos here all based around tech. I try to take a more serious yet laid-back approach to my work, and it's a pleasure to have you here if you're here for the first time or even if you're returning. I've taken a small break from making videos to improve the set once more and to deliver on higher quality videos moving forward. And it was just at around 2 weeks or so to change the audio recording setup, me switching to the A6400 full time now and investing in some other gear to help make better videos moving forward. I've also switched my workflow out to my iPad Pro using LumaFusion, even ditching Premiere Pro for DaVinci Resolve when I'm home. A lot is changing here, and it's for the better, and I can't wait for you to see all of the great content that I will be bringing forth moving forward. But also, I'm now streaming on Twitch every Friday and Saturday night from 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Time. So, if you just want to sit down, lay back, and watch a calm video game stream on something like Final Fantasy XIV, then please go ahead and stop by. Do make sure to follow me on other social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter if you want to stay up to date with the Tech Summit endeavors. With that said, welcome back, and this has been Francisco from Tech Summit. I will see you soon.